Welcome back to the Urban Survival Series. Today we venture into the shadows of the concrete jungle where danger is ever present and survival hinges on split-second decisions. The city can be unforgiving, a labyrinth where threats lurk around every corner. Your ability to protect yourself can mean the difference between life and death. Whether you're walking home under the dim glow of streetlights or suddenly confronted by an unknown assailant, knowing how to defend yourself is not just useful, it's essential. Urban environments are unpredictable, with potential muggings and violent attacks waiting for the unprepared. Mastering self-defense is your first line of defense against the chaos. Let's explore some essential self-defense techniques. If someone seizes your wrist, twist your arm towards the attacker's thumb to break free, exploiting the weakest part of their grip. When caught in a bear hug, drop your weight to lower your center of gravity. Then use your elbows to strike hard at their ribs or solar plexus. In the terrifying moment of a chokehold, turning your head to the side to create precious breathing space and prying their fingers off your neck can save your life. Defending against punches and kicks requires constant vigilance. Keep your hands up to shield your face, using your forearms to block incoming punches. Sidestepping or retreating from kicks can prevent a direct hit. When counterattacking, targeting vulnerable spots like the nose, throat, and groin can quickly neutralize your attacker. In desperate times, everyday objects become your weapons. Holding keys between your fingers for a powerful strike, jabbing with a pen, or swinging a bag to create distance can all be the tools of your survival. Now let's talk about some modern tools that can give you an edge. Stun guns and tasers. These devices are designed to incapacitate an attacker quickly, giving you precious seconds to escape. A stun gun delivers a high-voltage shock that can immobilize an assailant through direct contact. When using a stun gun, aim for areas with a lot of nerve endings such as the neck, underarm, or groin to maximize its effectiveness. Tasers, on the other hand, can be used from a distance. They fire two small dart-like electrodes that attach to the attacker, delivering a debilitating electric shock. The range of a taser allows you to keep some distance between yourself and the threat, which can be a critical advantage. However, it's essential to practice with these devices to ensure you know how to use them effectively under stress. While these tools can be incredibly effective, they should not replace fundamental self-defense techniques. Building confidence in your abilities comes from relentless practice. Regular training sharpens your skills and fortifies your mind against potential threats. Knowing when to stand your ground and when to flee is crucial. Sometimes the best defense is escaping the danger altogether. Understanding the legal aspects of carrying and using stun guns and tasers in your area is also important. Laws vary widely, and being aware of the regulations can prevent legal issues that might arise from their use. With the right skills and tools, you can turn the urban landscape to your advantage. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll uncover strategies for creating effective urban escape plans. In this city, preparation is not just key, it's your lifeline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our survival tips and tricks.